They say man comes from Mars and woman from Venus. Primarily, it is very difficult to discriminate between man and woman. But one thing can be said, that beauty and woman are synonymous to each other. Beauty is happening in each and every particle of the nature. One wonders at times that the nature is the creation of intelligence, and this phenomena leads one to think that if the creation of nature is so intelligent, then creator must be beyond one's imagination. Venus represents such beauty which is possessed by one and appreciated by all. The relief of Venus is rather simple. There is a complete circle, and below the circle hangs a cross. There is a great significance within the simplicity of the symbol of Venus. In life, whatever seems very simple turns out to be complex once looked at with an analytical eye. The circle is an extension of an atom which has been observed earlier too. Everything on this planet moves in a circle, whether it is life or the universe. Although at times it may seem as though no two things or events have any similarity, once observed very closely, they are connected internally, and this chain ultimately ends up in a circle. Perhaps this is the reason when the Eastern people first invented the zero, the circle, it gave a new dimension to the sphere of mathematics. The zero has the capacity to add value to the optimum and subtract it to nothingness. The value of zero in arithmetic opens up a Pandora's box of materialism, and if the value is taken off, the sojourn of spiritualism begins. There could be many ways of self-realization, but the best method is to enjoy the worldly pleasure to the optimum, then drop them one day and go beyond. In astrological parlance, Venus rules over sensuous pleasures and enables man to experience them at every level of his being and see the worthlessness of it one day. Then it is the time to look for the ultimate bliss which is beyond the senses. The importance of cross makes the relief of Venus extremely significant, because primarily you want to be the honor of best things on earth, but they attract everybody and ultimately becomes the property of the world. So nothing remains personal forever. Perhaps that is why they say a thing of beauty is a joy forever.